Have you witnessed a program in which you're sitting on the chair and there is a person who's speaking from the stage, and the way that person is speaking, you are glued to your seat and each and every word is going directly into your mind. You are so much focused in what that person is speaking that you're forgetting about the people around you. In fact, you say to yourself that, wow, I would like to become, or I would like to speak like this person on the stage. But there is another voice in your mind that says to you, hey, you cannot do it. You are not good enough. And you sit down calmly, thinking that I will never be able to speak up like this and influence people. So if you are thinking in this way, this video is going to give you breakthroughs in all your challenges, because I'm going to share 10 simple steps or 10 tips which will help you to become or speak confidently in a public speaking event. Whenever you are trying to speak, have that inner energy within you. First, having high energy. When you have that energy from within, whatever you will speak, it will be fluctuating with the energy. Have you observed some person who are always high on energy, and when they enter the room, the energy and aura in the room become high and you feel a lot of positivity inside, right? So when you are speaking with energy, automatically you are creating that positive aura around you. Second, having a powerful emotion. Certain people, speak like this. Yes, I have come here to talk about the mechanics that is going to help you. They are actually speaking mechanically. There is no emotion behind whatever they are speaking. And whenever there is no emotion, the people who all are listening will not be able to connect. You can observe people, they will start switching their mobile, they will start watching the social media, they will start looking here and there. Once you observe this, consider that you are speaking mechanically. Third, there has to be a lot of action while you are speaking. Like the way I'm speaking right now, I'm just not speaking. There are a lot of actions in form of expressions, in form of my hand movement, in form of my leg movements. It is there. So when you are in action, the people who are looking at you remain focused on looking at you, because as the words you are using, the speaking engagements you are creating, you are in action, you are in motion, and that keeps them focused on you. Fourth, having a straight eye contact. When I'm speaking in this video and when I'm recording this video, I'm looking at the camera lens. So I think that lens is you who is looking at the video on your mobile screen or on your laptop, so that you can experience that connection. See, if I speak like this, looking at the screen below or looking like this, you will feel that I'm not connected to you, don't you? So it is very important to have that eye contact. So when you are speaking in a group or public, whatever you are speaking, have that eye contact with them. 5, speak with high volume. The volume enough that the person who is listening can listen. I had a professor, I remember, that he used to speak like this. Then I was to do like this and this. Understood? The students who were sitting from 3rd, 4th, 5th bench onwards, hardly they would be able to listen and understand that professor. The professor was very good in knowledge, but the way he communicated was not good enough to penetrate the knowledge into the student's mind. So have a proper volume, speak in proper volume, so that people listen to each and every word that you are speaking. 6th, have a melody in your voice. Can you observe the melody? While I'm speaking, I'm going up and down. As in time required, depending upon the words, I am using that melody, and which is making this video more interesting for you to listen to. So whenever you speak, have this melodious speaking engagement with people. No one likes a monotonous. अगर आप एक गीत सुन रहे हो और वो एक ही सुर में बज रहा है सा 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 सा, तो आपको पसंद आएगा? नहीं. You will love when it is sa re ga ma pa da ni sa, right? So have a melody in your speaking engagement. 7th, have a humor in your talk. When I talk to you about this professor or this music, do you feel like laughing sometimes? May not be that much. I'm a little poor at humor, but I'm learning to add onto it this engagement. So when you add humor, the people laugh. And when they laugh, they have certain movements and endorphins released within themselves. And they feel good when they listen to a joke or humor that you have shared. And when they feel good, they will start focusing more on whatever you are speaking. So add some humor to the things that you are going to talk in the public engagement. 8. Have interactive sessions. Ask questions during the sessions. Whenever you are talking about something, ask them to validate. Do you agree? Everyone will say yes. Oh, are you with me? Everyone will say yes. So whenever I go and deliver the talks, I always ask interactive questions so that I know that they are listening whatever I'm speaking and I can understand. This way, interactive sessions are to be created, and when you do this, people feels more connected to you. 9th is an important. Just be you. Be natural. Don't try to be pretend someone. When you try to pretend someone, you become conscious about that person and you're conscious about yourself that, oh, whether I'm speaking it right way or not, oh, whether I'm speaking like that particular person or not, and you lose your own own charisma or charisma, what do we say, right? You lose it. And when you do that, people will understand that you are masking or you're pretending. Clearly, they are not fool at all, right? Even I try to speak most of the times in my way, but sometimes I become conscious too. Yeah, I love to be authentic, transparent, and that's what the 10th point is. Be authentic, be transparent, whatever way you are. When you become authentic, transparent with the community, people, they will start becoming authentic with you. And when you follow this 10 simple tips, these are the proven tips. When you do it, definitely the people who are going to listen to you are going to feel that you are a distinct person. You may not gain that confidence overnight, but eventually, when you practice this consistently, you will definitely able to become that kind of confident person. The 11th bonus tip, all those people whom you think are speaking with confidence, they have so much confidence in themselves, energy with themselves, positivity in themselves. Don't think that they have become overnight like this. They have evolved or nurtured this skill in them by practicing. So don't forget to practice this skill. If you do it consistently, I promise you, you can also become this kind of person and much more, and you can reach at much more high level. So start working on yourself. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share with the people whom you love. This is Dr. Harit Bhatt on a mission to transform 1 million lives to build their creative, confident, and freedom-filled fit life. Bye-bye. Take care. Stay happy, stay healthy, and love yourself.